Hello there, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I do my butterfly braids, passion braids, messy braids, or whatever it is you want to call them, spring braids. I'm not about to play the style name game with anybody this afternoon. As you can see, my style is almost completed. That's pretty much because I've been at this for the past couple of days. Yes, I'm confessing. It's been so hard getting my hair done. The last time I did my hair was July. Yeah, July. It's not been fun in the past couple of months. I did my hair last in July, and I kept that style in till September. September. Then I took that style out in September. That was the Jamaican locks. Yeah, the Bobby Boss No Locks dupe. I took that style out in September, and all through about half of September, all through October. Now it's November. I've been wearing a wig just because I couldn't get my hair done. I've been really busy. So it's like so hard to like just raise my hand up and like I'm doing my hair. And because I really wanted the style to be full, I didn't want it to be rushed through, so I've been doing it bits at a time. So I'm just so glad that I've been able to like get it done. Now I think I've just I have two more left to do. So the hair I chose to use for the style is of course my favorite type of texture hair, which is spring twist hair. I know folks like to use passion twist hair, which is water wave hair for styles like this, but I do not really like water wave hair because it tends to get heavy on my head. Even for butterfly lock, which I have had before, that gets heavy on, but spring twist hair is always super lightweight on my head, so that's why I'm using spring twist hair. And of course, because it's fall, usually in the fall I like to play with the color 350, which is an auburn shade. So I do have a mix of colors right here, right in my head. I do have a color 1B in here. I have a color T1B burgundy, which I just showed. Color T1B burgundy. I have some color T1B 350 and some color 1B30. So far I can't say how many bags of hair I've used because I've not been able to count. It's just been like here and there, here and there, here and there. But when I'm done, I'm going to count and be able to like approximate how many bags of hair I use. Because for each braid now, I'm using 4 pieces of spring twist hair. For each braid, I used 4 pieces of spring twist hair. So let me just show you how I have gotten this done so far. And stay with me as I get started. Let me just put these in section. Let me just section this now. Okay. Let me look in the mirror. I'm cheating. I have a mirror beside me here. Yeah, what is what doing is what's doing well, I'll say. Let me just put this aside. My braiding gel, Shining Jam. So let's just put this aside. So how I use the hair, I get 4 pieces because I'm mixing colors. I don't want it to be too like too loud like that. I just want it to like be nice and subtle. So for each braid I have 2 pieces of spring twist hair in the color 1B, 2 pieces in the color 1B, 1 piece in the color T1B 350, and 1 piece in the color 1B30. That's what I'm finishing with. Some of them were done with the color 1B, 1B30, and 1B burgundy. Like this one now has got some burgundy in, and this one, if you can see the difference, yeah, this is the black 1B black, T1B 30, and T1B burgundy. This one, then this one here is 1B black, T1B 30, and T1B 350, which is auburn. It's just a nice mix to give you this fall hues. So like I was saying, so 4 pieces of hair now. I'm going to fluff all 4 of them. So let me do it quickly. Now that all 4 pieces have been fluffed, I grab one black in one hand and I put one color with the black. Then on the other hand, a piece of black and the other color. So it's 4 pieces of spring twist hair right now. On my right hand is the 1B black and the 1B 350. On my left hand is the 1B and the 1B 30. Remember, spring twist hair. See how springy it is. Another reason I like to use the my braids are like at the end you can still play with them, and like it's not stiff. It doesn't give you the stiff thing that it's usually just you know, soft like that. Water wave air would never do this, like for real. And these are super 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 lightweight. So as you would start off any braid, once you cross together, now that's crossed together, and I start braiding. Also note that because this is a very textured hair, I'll be fighting with some major frizz, so it's always a good thing to have a pair of scissors close by, because this be snagging like whew. Okay, and see me. Okay, yeah, I got my hands back. See, yeah, I got it. So I just let's see, I need some gel. That's just to slick my hair in, and I just continue to braid, and I just braid it down as I would with an individual braid. But one thing I'm doing differently is that the way I'm braiding it very loosely, like real loose, because I'll be teasing this hair a little when I'm done. So make the braid loose, just braid it down loosely. See how the color mixes up. I love the way I mix colors. I'ma just braid her. Good thing I've not had to use the scissors though. Just braid it all the way down. Now the beauty of working with spring twist hair is this: if you want to braid it all the way down to the end, that's fine. If you want to like finish it up in like some kind of twisted ends, that's also fine. So see the tiny bit remaining now, I'm just gonna twist it up. And that's that. Scissors and snip. So that's just the first step. You think I'm done? No. This is how it looks. However, I'm just gonna tease the braid, just like fluff it a little to make it a little more messy. See how big it is now. And let's quickly do the last one, this one here. I have some hair here that's been fluffed just to save time. First piece, second piece, see, 2 colors. Third piece, and the fourth piece. 4 pieces of spring twist hair. Fold together. Excuse me. And I'm ready to braid. and I'm closing in on the ends. I finish up in a twist. See, easy as pie. Snip and final touch, fluffy, fluffy, fluff it. You can either fluff from the top, that's I'm pulling out the braids on both sides gently, or you can actually start from the bottom, but I don't even know which I prefer. I just do whatever my hand does. I might just go wherever my hand goes rather. So just pull it a bit here and there. And there you have it. Easy style, nothing complicated. Off camera, I'm gonna count the number of braids I have in, then I will do the math, because each braid has each braid was done with 4 pieces of spring twist hair, so I'll be able to like do the math, because usually a bag of spring twist hair comes with 30 pieces of hair. So I'm gonna just write that, like, I use such and such number of bags. I'm feeling myself already. So here it is, all done. C'est fini. And I would say thank you so much for watching this video, and if you really found this video helpful, you might just want to like this video. If you're not subscribed to this channel, subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed already, and I'll say thank you. Thanks.